In this video, we are going to be looking at the surface area and volume of a sphere. Now, the first thing I need to do is to show you what a sphere looks like. Now, let's get a sphere on a kind of paper here. Alright, so this is a sphere. And then by the side, I'm just going to draw a circle. Now, this is a circle. Now, if you look closely, a circle is similar to a sphere. The only difference is that a circle is flat, so it's two-dimensional. While a sphere is three-dimensional. So a sphere is not flat, it's bulges. So example of a spherical object, we could have a tennis ball. And obviously I know that you know the earth is spherical in shape. So the earth also is a sphere. Does this make sense? So that's the major difference between a sphere and a circle. And let me mention here that because a circle is two-dimensional, we can only calculate the area of a circle. And the area of a circle is pi r square. Obviously, we can also calculate the perimeter of the circle. But we cannot calculate the volume of a circle because a circle cannot contain substance. Do you understand? It's flat. But a sphere is three-dimensional. So that we can calculate both the surface area of the sphere as well as the volume of the sphere. Do you understand? So let's try to get the formula for the surface area and volume of a sphere. Now let's start with the surface area of a sphere. The surface area of a sphere equals to 4 pi r square. Can you see that it's kind of similar to the area of a circle? Area of a circle is pi r square. The surface area of a sphere is like 4 circles, 4 pi r square. Does that make sense? Now the volume of a sphere is 4/3 pi r cube. Now remember, I've been saying the volume of any shape is the base area of the shape times the vertical height. But if you consider a sphere is a special kind of shape. And so the volume of a sphere is 4/3 pi r cube. Now the way to remember this is that if you are good in, I don't know, probably further maths, to calculate the volume of a sphere, all you need to do is to integrate the surface area of a sphere. So if I know the surface area of a sphere as 4 circles, 4 pi r square, I can always get the volume of a sphere by integrating the surface area of a sphere. Now, do you know how to integrate? First thing, 4 pi is a constant, so you don't touch it. So how can we integrate r square? All I need to do is to add 1 to the power and then divide by 2 plus 1. Does that make sense? So basically we're having 4 pi r, 2 plus 1 is 3, all over 2 plus 1 is 3. And that is how we come across 4/3 pi r cube. Can you see? So if you integrate the surface area of a sphere, you get the volume of a sphere. Can we take examples?